Hello friends, welcome to Career Humsafar Shafar कामयाबी तक. Friends, from this video I am going to start a new series from Eduteria Current Affairs that contains 800 MCQ of current affairs and are divided into 16 sets, and each set contains 50 questions. Means in each video we will discuss 50 questions in a very easy and comprehensible manner. So let's start the video, and the first question is which of the following space agency has announced to send its first orbiter in vision to the planet Venus? So the name of the agency is ESA. ESA means European Space Agency. European Space Agency, and the headquarters of European Space Agency is in the capital of France, that is in Paris. Okay, and this mission will be completed till 2030. So you will remember it, and the next question from ESA will be asked that when ESA was established. Then ESA was established in 1975. Okay, here the option is NASA. NASA is the space agency of USA, and it was established in 1958, and the headquarters of NASA is in Washington DC. Okay, and it may be asked the full form of NASA. Then the full form of NASA is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Okay, here option C is CNSA. CNSA means China National Space Administration, and it was established in 1993. Okay, and CNSA is the space, it is clear from its full form that CNSA is the space agency of China. Okay, and you will remember it. Okay, the next question is from this option, Roscosmos. Roscosmos is the space agency of Russia, and it was established in 1992, and the headquarters of Roscosmos is in the capital of Russia is Moscow. Okay, and there was a question asked in BPSC 64th that CNES is the space agency of. Then the CNES is the space agency of France that was established in 1961. Okay, and the headquarters of CNES is in Paris. Clear? Then the next question is, who won the men's singles title of French Open 2021? Then do you know French Open is organized for which game? So this open is organized for lawn tennis. Okay, this open is organized for lawn tennis. Means I want to let you know that there are 4 types of open. Okay, there are 4 types of open. First one is Australian Open, second one is French Open, third one is Wimbledon, and the fourth one is US Open. So here we will not write US, we will write only America to relate it with A to A. Means first one is A and the last one is also A. So first one is Australia and the last one is America. Okay, so these 2 opens, means Australian Open and US Opens, are played on hard court, while French Open is played on soil, while Wimbledon on grass. Okay, so these are the opens played for lawn tennis. Now here for 2021 you will get it remembered that first one is Australian, second one is French, third one is Wimbledon, and the fourth one is US Open. So these above 3 opens are won by Novak Djokovic, and he is from Serbia. Okay, so Australian Open 2021, French Open 2021, and the Wimbledon 2021, all these opens are won by has been won by which one? Novak Djokovic. Okay, so next question is, with which country India recently signed a joint agreement for 3 years in agriculture sector? So it is asked that India's cooperation in agriculture with which country? Okay, so in agriculture India has a joint agreement with Israel. Okay, and in this agreement, this will agreement continue from 2021 to 2023. Okay, so 2021, 2022, and 2023 means this is a joint agreement of 3 years in agriculture sector. Okay, and what will be done in this agreement, that it will be focused on the agriculture sector, that how infrastructure will be built, and the production and productivity, how we can increase the productivity, and after increment in the productivity, it will be focused to tie up the villages of India with the market. Okay, and mainly horticulture is the focus area of this agreement, and there is also a focus area that it will focus on water harvesting, means water conservation and water irrigation. And you also know that from Israel we have adopted drip irrigation as well as a sprinkle irrigation to save water. Okay, so the next question is, Yuva PM Yojana is an initiative of which ministry? Yuva PM, we are also Yuva youth. Okay, and we are trying our best to get a job, and to get job we are getting ourselves, means making ourselves educated, means you are getting educated. Okay, to get job. So this is our trick. And Yuva PM Yojana is an initiative of which ministry? Ministry of Education. In this scheme or in this initiative, first of all you will have to know what is the meaning of Yuva. Yuva means young, upcoming and versatile authors. Young, upcoming, versatile author. You know, versatile means experienced. And if we will have knowledge to express our feelings, then we will represent our culture and tradition with all over the world. And this is the motive of Ministry of Education, and this ministry will help Yuva in making them a good and versatile authors. Okay, so the next question is, the central government has recently decided to commemorate the birth anniversary of which Indian politician as Prakram Divas. So Prakram Divas will be celebrated on the birth anniversary of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay, so this is the initiative of central government, while Netaji belonged to West Bengal also, and WB government has also decided to celebrate Desh Nayak Divas. Okay, Desh Nayak Divas also will be celebrated on his birthday, and that is on 23rd of Jan. Okay, the next question is the theme of National Youth Day 2021. You know, National Youth Day is celebrated each year on 12th of Jan, on the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, who is the inspiration of each and every youth. Okay, and this year the theme was युवा उत्साह नए भारत का.